Today we are going to talk about exterior angles of polygons. On that topic, first we are going to discuss about the exterior angles of a triangle. This is my triangle. So, first of all, let's draw our exterior angles. For that, we have to produce each sides. These are my exterior angles. Now I am going to cut them. You know, exterior angles means the angles outside the polygons. For that, I produce the sides and make the exterior angles. Now let's put them together and now you can see when we put the exterior angles together, we can see the total sum of the angle is 360 degrees. A at B at C equals 360 degrees. That means the sum of the exterior angles of a triangle is 360 degrees. Now let's use this theory and solve some problems. Here, you know, sum of the exterior angles should be 360 degrees. Then we can write 135 at 165 at A equals 360 degrees. We can add those numerical values and write like this. Now we can easily find A as 60 degrees. This is a separate problem. There are two unknown terms. Then let's write 120 at A add 2A equals 360 degrees. Then we can add those two and write 3A equals 2A equals 160 degrees. Here I want to say another important thing. We don't need to produce each sides into same direction. Those two are same direction and the other one is separate. It's okay. If we produce them in same direction, we get this side as an exterior angle. Because of vertically opposite angles, those two angles should be equal. Then, when we are finding exterior angles, it's okay to get any angle from each vertex. Now let's discuss about the exterior angles of a quadrilateral. For that also, let's draw exterior angles. These are the exterior angles of my quadrilateral. Now I am going to cut them out. I have cut the angles. Now let's put them together. Here you can see the sum of A, B, C, D is completing a circle. That means A at B at C at D is 360 degrees. Here you can see the sum of the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Here I have to say something important, that is the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. Now let's solve some problems regarding exterior angles of a quadrilateral. These are the problems. Now let's solve them. We can write all those angles, sum of all those angles is 360 degrees. Then 75, 92, 83 and A equals 360 degrees. We can add those numerical values and write this. Now we can easily find A. In this problem we don't have any numerical value, but we can write A add 2A add another A add 2A. Those are 4 angles equals 360 degrees. Now we can write the algebraic expression 6A equals 360 degrees. We can find the value of A by dividing both sides. A equals 60 degrees. Then we can find 2A equals multiplied by 60. The last problem is little bit difficult. Here there are 3 unknown terms. Then first of all we have to find the value that we can find easily. Here both terms are unknown, but we can't find anyone. But here we know one angle. These angles are on a straight line. That means x can be found by, because the sum of the angles of a straight line on a straight line is 180 degrees. Then we can find x as 70 degrees. Now we know 3 exterior angles of this quadrilateral. Unknown term is A. Then we can write 85 add x add 140 add A equals 360 degrees. We can substitute 70 to x. Then we can write add numerical values and find A as 65 degrees. Now you can see A and B are on the straight line. Then A is 65. Then we can find B by subtracting A from 180 degrees. Then B should be equals to 115 degrees. Now we learn about exterior angles of triangle and quadrilateral. You can learn about interior angles of those two polygons in my separate video.